I'm Easy Racer and I fly FPV quadcopters. If you look at my channel, I have a lot of videos of me flying inside of the simulator, and the simulator is a way to keep my skills fresh when I don't really have the time to go outside and fly. Another advantage of this is being able to do virtual races, and I'm part of a couple of racing leagues that host drone races virtually, and a good way to practice and build up the experience and skill without having to go to a race in real life. So today is one of those races, and I'm going to be showing you guys the entire process, and you can follow along as I go through it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Each week, the race director will release the names of the tracks that we have to qualify on, and this week there's going to be a bit of a mix-up. I'm going to be voting for which track we want to fly during our mains, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to download all 3 tracks. Another thing that's special about tonight's race is that we're actually running global qualifier submissions, and one of these is probably going to be picked to be the global qualifier. If you don't know what a global qualifier is, it's basically a global leaderboard. Okay, so pilots from around the world will run the same track, and the times will be uploaded onto a leaderboard, and I think the top 100, somewhere around the top 100 or 200 pilots get invited to multi-GP championships, which is in Florida and held every year. So this is pretty cool. We're gonna get some practice on these submissions, and yeah. Alright, it's about 10 to 15 minutes before the racing begins. So all the pilots are now in the voice chat, and we're all talking and, in the room and practicing before the race begins. Alright, so the racing is about to start. I'm in the main that's second to this one, so there'll be about 5 or 6 minutes before I begin flying. I'm just relaxing right now, talking to the other pilots, getting inside the mental zone to begin flying, and yeah, I'm excited to start racing. So it's now 7:08, and my racing will begin in about 10 minutes. I'm in the heat, or in the main, that's second to this one. And how this style of racing works is that all the pilots are divided into mains. What main you're in depends where you qualified, and the higher you qualified, the higher the main you're in. So I'm in C main, I believe, and it goes D, C, B, and A, depending on how fast you are. So yeah, I'm going to be in C main, and I'll be starting in about 10 minutes or so.